and even practiced with my dog. Yes, my dog was my first conversation partner. The more I spoke, the more confident I became. I realized that mistakes are just stepping stones to improve. Hi friends, welcome back to English Friend 360. Today's video is very special because it is inspired by one of our subscribers named Adulapuram Srikant. In the comments of one of our recent videos, he asked me, how did you learn English and what is the right way to learn English step by step? So, I'm making this video today and thank you so much Srikant Garu for making this comment. Well, my dear friends, I am so excited to share my journey with you and give you a clear step by step guide to mastering English in this video. Whether you are a beginner or someone who has been learning English for years, this video is for you. So kindly watch it till the end, and before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips please. Now let's get started. I'm going to talk about my journey in two parts in this video, and the first part is about my English learning journey. First of all, let me tell you how I learned English. When I started, I was just like many of you, struggling to speak, confused about grammar, and feeling stuck. But later, I discovered that the key to fluency isn't just studying hard, it's about learning smart. But what does learning smart mean? For me, it means self learning. I didn't depend only on classrooms or spoken English books. Instead, I completely immersed myself in English every single day. I watched movies, listened to podcasts, read books, and tried to speak English whenever it was possible, like with my family members, with my friends, and with my neighbors. Of course, in this process, I made so many mistakes, but I didn't let that stop me. I simply kept practicing, and slowly, English became a part of my life. In this whole process, the biggest lesson I learned is consistency is the key. Yes, my dear friends, consistency is very important in the learning stage. Even 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference if you do it regularly. So, got it? This is all about the first part, and the second part in my journey is about the right way to learn English step by step. So, let's talk about the right way to learn English step by step. I'm going to share a simple 5-step formula that you can start using today. Ready? Here we go. So, the step number one is I started with the basics. When I began, I focused on the basics first. I learned simple words, common phrases, and basic grammar. For example, instead of memorizing complex sentences, I started with something like how are you or I like music. So, in this way, I remember practicing these phrases in front of the mirror, and it felt silly at first, but it helped me build a strong foundation. Trust me, once you have the basics down, the rest becomes so much easier. Okay, and step number two, I listened and repeated. See, my friends, listening became my secret weapon. I thought about how I learned my mother tongue just by listening as a child. So I applied the same logic to English also. I watched English movies, listened to podcasts, and followed YouTube channels. I paid close attention to how native speakers pronounced words and tried to imitate them. Of course, this is called the shadowing technique. I have talked about this technique many times in my previous videos. I practiced this technique over and over until I got it right. Remember, repetition is the key to mastering pronunciation and fluency. And step number three is I spoke without fear. This was the hardest but most rewarding step for me. I decided not to be afraid of making mistakes. I started speaking English every day, even if it was just for 5 minutes. I talked to myself, recorded my voice, and even practiced with my dog. Yes, my dog was my first conversation partner. The more I spoke, the more confident I became. I realized that mistakes are just stepping stones to improvement. And step number four, I read and wrote daily. Reading and writing became my daily habits. I started with simple books and children's stories. One of the first books I read was The Little Prince, and it was such a beautiful experience. I also kept a daily journal in English where I wrote about my day my thoughts, and my goals. At first, my sentences were simple and short, but over time, they became more detailed and expressive. Writing helped me improve my grammar and vocabulary naturally. And finally, step number 5, I stayed consistent and patient. I reminded myself that learning English is a journey, it's not a race. I set small, achievable goals and practiced every day. Even 10 minutes of focused practice made a big difference over time. So there were when I felt like I wasn't making progress, but I never gave up. I kept going, and slowly but surely I saw improvement. Progress, not perfection, became my mantra. So, friends, this is my English learning journey. I'm sure if you follow all these steps, you too can improve your English speaking skills. Now, I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, follow these 5 steps and let me know in the comments how did it go. Did you feel more confident? I would love to hear from you and your progress. This is all about this video, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more tips and tricks. Remember, my dear friend, English fluency is within your reach. Just take it one step at a time, stay consistent, and never give up. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep improving. Bye.